Welcome to my review of the Saatva Classic Plush Soft Mattress. You will also learn how to get a $575 discount. This mattress is a remarkable choice for those seeking a soft, comfortable, and luxurious sleeping experience. Before we dive into the details of the mattress, let's take a look at the company behind it. One of the best ways to gauge the quality and reliability of a company is to check its rating on the Better Business Bureau. This is where you can see how the company handles customer complaints and feedback. Saatva has earned an impressive A+ rating with 4.7 stars out of 5, based on over 1,600 reviews. The Saatva Classic is a hybrid mattress that combines innerspring and foam layers, offering a unique blend of support and cushioning for a restful night's sleep. One of the standout features of the Saatva Classic Plush Soft Mattress is its exceptional comfort and pressure relief capabilities. With its medium feel, this mattress is specifically recommended for lighter-weight sleepers who prefer a softer sleeping surface. The responsive and bouncy feel, coupled with generous cushioning, allows for a gentle cradling of the body, relieving major pressure points in the back, neck, and shoulders. The Saatva Classic Plush Soft Mattress is crafted with high-quality materials and attention to detail. It comes in two heights, 11.5 inches or 14.5 inches, to accommodate different preferences and needs. The use of organic cotton and the absence of chemical smells make it an excellent choice for individuals with allergies or sensitivities. One aspect to note is the mattress's impressive edge support, which ensures stability and prevents sagging. This feature allows you to fully utilize the mattress surface without the fear of rolling off or feeling unsupported near the edges. It is also backed by positive customer reviews of 4.8 stars out of 5, that attest to its comfort and quality. In conclusion, the Saatva Classic Plush Soft Mattress is an excellent choice for those who prefer a soft and comfortable sleep surface. Its hybrid design, combining innerspring and foam layers, delivers exceptional comfort, pressure relief, and edge support. With its natural materials, luxurious feel, and careful construction, this mattress brings the essence of a luxury hotel bed into the comfort of your own home. If you are in search of a plush, supportive, and indulgent sleeping experience, I highly recommend the Saatva Classic Plush Soft Mattress. You can get this amazing mattress for a fraction of the cost with these incredible discounts. You can save up to $575 or 30% off the original price. That's a huge deal. Here's how you can get it. First, you can get a $300 factory discount right now. This is a limited time offer, so don't miss it. Second, for select individuals, you can get an extra $225 discount. Check to see if you qualify. Third, you can get another $50 discount on top of any other discounts. This is a stackable discount that you can use with any other offer. That's it. You can get up to $575 or 30% off this premium mattress with these discounts. All you have to do is click the links in the description or the comments section below and claim your discounts today. Hurry, these offers won't last long.